Today I'm going to show you how to create this spring blossom design using the Lina Let's Doodle Plate 2. My base colour is Ciate-Candy Floss. This is a pretty pink shade and I've applied one coat already and I'm now applying the second coat to my nails. This is the stamping plate I'm using. It's from Lina Nail Art Supplies and it's Let's Doodle Plate 2 from Nail Artisan by Alex. This contains lots of amazingly detailed stamping images. These are mainly floral designs and the design I'm going to use today is this pretty flower blossom image. I'm using Mundo de Unas-Gold stamping polish, which looks lovely against the pink. This is stamped flawlessly and I'm going to make decals. I'm colouring in the flowers using Barry M Kiss Me Quick, which is a pale pink colour. I find this easier to do with a small dotting tool. I'm also colouring in some of the flowers with Essie-Fiji, which is an even paler pink, almost white colour. Once dry, I'm covering the decal with Topcoat, and once this is dry, I can peel this off the stamper and apply to my nail. I've made another decal which I'm cutting in half, and I'm applying these to the base of my index and ring fingers. I'm covering the edge with pink striping tape and using Seche Vite quick drying top coat to seal in my design. Make sure your top coat is sealed round the edges so the decals and striping tape don't lift. Here's the finished design. I really hope you like it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please give this a like if you enjoyed it, and if you'd like to see more nail art tutorials and reviews, please subscribe to my channel.